Hey everyone, Alan Schimmel, DevOps.com, DevOps TV, here at Jenkins World. We're live on the expo floor, and I'm joined by Sean Corcoran of MacStadium. Sean, welcome.
Hey, great to be here.
Thank you. So Sean, I don't know if our audience has ever heard of MacStadium. It was new to me. What do you guys do?
They probably haven't. We host Macs and data centers, and most of our growth has been driven by continuous integration for iOS specifically.
Really?
Yeah.
For iOS specifically?
Yeah.
People developing iOS kind of stuff, applications?
Yeah, so about a year ago, Uber came to us and said, hey, we've got 50 Mac Minis in-house. Builds are failing, developer morale's low, we're getting yelled at, help us. And so we have a product called Private Cloud, but it's Mac hardware, VMware layered on top, virtualized Mac OS, and set up your build agents so that they can run with Jenkins, coordinated to your AWS Jenkins master or wherever your Jenkins master lives.
Very cool. So now a lot of people actually know about this, but we're starting to see now Macs get involved in the whole DevOps and kind of Mac ops.
Yeah, it's awesome.
So how did it come to your attention?
So about a year ago, we were looking at a bunch of the server names in our system. We saw Jenkins Slave or Jenkins, and at the time we had no idea what that actually meant. So we did a little bit of research on Google and figured out that there's this whole ecosystem of,
there is
Jenkins World. And so we sponsored Jenkins World last year and are back this year for our second time.
Man.
And yeah, it's been awesome.
Excellent. So you guys are Mac only though?
Yeah, just Mac infrastructure as a service. So we meet our customers at the hypervisor layer. They do whatever they need to do in the software world, and we just support them with the infrastructure and the power and the redundancy. And it's weird because these are all things that Apple never designed, their computers to do, right? They're a consumer electronics company for the most part.
No, it was never. They had tried servers, but then it really wasn't a big thing.
Well, they killed the Xserve in 2010.
Yes.
And it's funny because we still get calls from guys who are pulling these things out of Apple data centers, and it's got to the point now. The guy will call up our founder and be like, "Hey, it's like a back alley sale." He's like, "Hey, I got 100 Xserves. Do you want them?" And we're like, "Yeah, buy them."
Yeah. It's a black market.
It's literally a black market. We've got hundreds of them running in our 3 data centers.
Really?
In Las Vegas, Atlanta, and in Dublin, Ireland.
That's excellent, man.
Yeah, it's cool. It's a niche market, but our customers.
You know what? Exploit the niche, man.
Yeah. I mean, it's great. It's great.
Well, good. I'm glad to hear, Mac's represented here. I'm glad to hear that, this whole DevOps thing and continuous delivery has kind of touched on you guys.
Yeah.
That's excellent news, man. Anyway, what do you think of Jenkins World?
I think it's incredible.
Having a good time.
I'm having a great time. For me, it's just an opportunity to get out of the data center and meet some...
See people. See the light of day.
See the light of day.
Yeah, I hear you.
So it's really cool. I mean, we hear the same thing over and over again. I got a couple Mac Minis. My data center guys don't want to put them in the data center because they're Macs and they don't fit, or we've got them underneath the desk somewhere. The craziest one we've heard, I have a bunch of Mac Pros sitting in a closet behind my refrigerator in the office kitchen.
Cool.
Yeah, and we're like, why would you do that?
It's crazy, but they wouldn't think of hosting servers like that, but whatever.
Yeah.
Anyway, Kevin, thanks for being our guest here. We want to check in on MacStadium again. We'll find out some more. Cool. This is Alan Schimmel with Kevin Burnett. No, excuse me. Kevin was our last guest. This is Alan Schimmel with Sean Corcoran of MacStadium, man.
Alan, thanks for having me, man.
Thanks, I appreciate it.
Yeah.
All right, Alan Schimmel, DevOps.com, Jenkins World Live.